Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, well, go on. Manners and respect to each and every one. But there again, you see. Yeah, so let me start off with this video that I'm looking at right here. Alright, so first up, my people. I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And in the video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person mentioned the transport authority. But what the person said pertaining to transport authority is what really and truly I've been thinking. Saying because if the words that the person said in this video are accurate, I think it raises questions and somewhat of a concern. You see me? Look and listen to the video for yourself, my people. Then we'll talk some more. Observe.
Yo, I never see this yet, brother. Transport for that Sunday, come take a vehicle. In a plain clothes. Bumbo clock. It's really serious, man. For a Sunday, brother. See feel of them, two feeler, one black one and one grey one. Go with the man here, brother. Ryan down this, you know. A three feeler, dog. In a plain clothes. That's a big fat one.
So, you hear the words of the person that said?
In a plain clothes, brother. I never see this yet. Three feet of them apart with a dog. Same man, them have to look out at them here as upon a Sunday. I can't tell you no.
Alright, now, let me say this. See, because I'm going to say something. You see, this video is not the only video me hear someone talk about a similar situation. Might not be exactly the same, but some words me a person say in our next video, or at least one other video, sound similar to certain words me a person said in that video that I just presented to you. You see?
Big old Sunday Transport Authority. Block the people in car in a private car and then take out the people in car. So you don't know gunman different from Transport Authority because everybody in a private car. Them just block the car, them jump out. Bill Transport Authority. No, I can't do that. But they just go on that.
Now let me say this very carefully because me is the kind of person I respect the rules and the laws of my country. You see me? And if I'm in another person's country or in another country, then I respect the rules and the laws of the country because without rules and laws, I think there will be chaos. But with the time I go nowadays, see, what would you think if you see someone who was not wearing no form of government uniform trying to stop you while you're operating a motor vehicle? I mean, if you're a motorist and you see someone who was not wearing no transport authority uniform and was not wearing no police uniform, and that person try to get off a stop or try to pull you over as a motorist and drive a motor vehicle, what would you think, my people? That's the question I ask. See, there are certain rules when it comes on to doing some types of jobs. And in my point of view, those rules have been made for certain reasons. So may I say? So, when me and the person say some words in one of those videos, me here plain clothes, that I've been thinking, my people. So may I say, listen, I am not able to confirm if some words that the person said in the video are accurate or so on, but me just let you know about that video and also the other video. There's some answer my people, so I can know about some words that they say in those videos. Tell me what you think about a situation like that or so on, or the videos that I presented to you. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And remember to click all. Now my people, I want to look at this video right here and I want to tell me if you find this video to be funny or not. You know, because this video I post on social media where some persons find it funny while some might not. You know what I mean? The point is that When I first saw this video, I was thinking that I saw something that was not there. When the video zoom in, or when we look at the video more carefully, I realize I'm looking at someone's skin, not socks. You see guys, what video? Yeah, when the video zoom in, I start to see certain things and I say, but wait, no sir. And then I realize a skin, a somebody's skin. Basically the video shows someone's 2 legs in pants and what seems to be shoes and so forth. But me I look at skin right there, so no socks. Me think no. I'm not telling people. So let me know what you think, you know. Do you think it is funny or not? I'm not sure what to think. I'm not sure if I should feel sorry for the person or what. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to talk about this whole situation where it is said that the body of a man was found at a location within the country of Jamaica. Well, according to information put out there, it is said that the body of a man was found in a pothole that has water in it in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. And there are some allegations as to how that person might have died. Now, my people, before we get to certain part of this whole sketchy information, see, I want to point out that the reason why I talk about this situation is because of what I call unconfirmed information put out there, claiming as to how the person might have died. See, and one of the unconfirmed information, in my point of view, it's a bad one because this thing is not a joke. Someone lost his life. You understand? So I got the understanding that there's an allegation that the person was riding a bicycle at some point, and there's an allegation as to how the person ended up in the pothole. And there's also an allegation as to how the person might have died. I did not get any confirmed information to determine the person's cause of death or what caused the person to die. You understand me? I did not get any confirmed information about that. However, so let me read some words from a news article. See, now I got the understanding that one news article said that the police are probing the circumstances which led to the death of a man in St. Elizabeth. This after his body was reportedly found in what has been described as a large water-filled pothole in the community, and so on. So I said, so I get the understanding that news article basically said that family members theorized certain things pertaining to what happened to the man and so on. See? And the news article also said that according to family members, the pothole was huge and was filled with water, which they said was caused by a leaking pipe on the roadway. My people, I'm only going by what I read in the news article, so bear with me right there. But the thing about it, though, viewers and subscribers, so is that some of the information they put out there don't seem accurate to me. You see me? And don't seem to be confirmed information. That me I point out. So, my people, just give you information as to how I understand it, and I saw me stay. See? So I think here's where I'm going to leave it now. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla.